Okay guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the bulbs here in your map lights or just your overhead lights here on your Subaru Outback or your Subaru Legacy. If I were you, I'd use a plastic trim tool. I'm using a flathead screwdriver, but if you want to try to save your plastic and kind of be easy on your car, use something a little softer and a little less hard. Okay, so you have a clip right here, a clip right here, and there's two little prongs up here that go up in. The way I do it, I just try to pull from either of these edges, or if you can fit something in right here, that'll work too. Oh, and just let it fall, yeah, there you go. And just like that, you have it off, and then you will see your bulbs. I have LEDs in mine, and personally, I love them. I think they work amazing. I will put the link for them in the description, so if you'd like to pick them up, you may. It's more of a white light more than it is a blue light, but they do their job when it comes to actually illuminating. Basically, once you put your bulbs in or take them out, you just get your cover, and like I said, there's two little plastic tabs that kind of go up in, and so put those in first. And just snap it all back in, and just like that, that's how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.